Hello. So thank you very much for watching this video. The main purpose of this video is to raise awareness about trademarks and how to use them, how to use intellectual property for protecting your brands, specifically brands for computer software. My name is Vladimir. I work at bonomark.com and we register trademarks internationally for more than 10 years. And in total, we filed and registered around 10,000 trademarks. And what I did in this video, I took three brands from the ProductHunt list and sent them to our attorney in the United States so he could check if those marks are available, if they can be registered, if they were registered at all, and obviously if they are protected, if there are any potential issues for those trademark owners, for those companies launching new brands. So you launch a new brand. So the first thing you want to have sales, right? The next thing you want to get more sales. You probably want to get investments. But if your brand is not registered, it's not really yours. It's available for anyone to take. There are some limitations. I won't explain them right now. It's like in the United States, it's a first to use country. I will explain this later. So, but still, this trademark is available for others to take. They can apply for it. They can get it. They can potentially sue you. You can potentially then go to a legal battle over your brand name and probably even win, but you will still lose a lot of money. So, getting a trademark, once you have sales, if you have budget for this, it's really important. You don't know how your business will go, but still, getting a trademark at this stage when you invested thousands of dollars into development, and you have launched your product, obviously, it's a must do. So when I sent the first three names of the brands, it was HeroUI, Dockflow, and PurposeWrite. Not like purposeful poop. Actually, it wasn't available back then, and big note as well. So I will focus on those three brands which were analyzed, HeroUI, and it's quite straightforward. They have a trademark filed. They actually did their homework. The mark was filed. They hired a trademark attorney. They applied for the brand. They have good description of goods and services. They have a specimen of use, everything. So it was filed and it's being examined. The trademark examination takes around 6 months. If you click here, by the way, I'm using the official website of the United States Patent and Trademark Office. And you can see that the average examination takes 6 months. It's quite slow, but still. And the registration takes around 12 months. So as this mark was filed on December 10, 2024, it will be registered in around a year. When we go to the second mark, which is Dockflow, it's a different case. It's actually interesting. They filed the mark as well, but they did not hire a trademark attorney. Well, I think it's a good idea to hire a trademark attorney because it helps to increase the scope of protection of your trademark. That's important. Trademark attorneys do this for years. They have years of experience. They know how to get more from your application, to have it, to protect it, to have it protect more items, more products, more services. That's the first thing. And the next thing, it helps to avoid any potential mistakes or like technical mistakes. I don't see any huge mistakes in this application, but just in case, that's how it works. When you hire an attorney, he or she can verify everything and make sure that your application is correct, that there are no mistakes, that your trademark is registrable, etc. The last mark, PurposeWrite, we verified this mark as well. And from what we found, there are no such trademark filed. That's one of the codes used by our attorney to file the mark, to define if this mark was available. And actually, the search revealed that there are no marks, like no identical marks. So if this mark was not filed, it was not registered, but there are a number of similar marks. We don't think that they are, at least our attorney didn't think that they were very similar, but nonetheless a more detailed search would be required. And we think that the owner of this mark should apply for it as soon as possible. As you could see, 2 out of 3 companies actually filed their marks. We have 3 different cases in this case, in this situation. So the first case, someone hired an attorney, that's HeroUI. The second case, Dockflow, they probably didn't have the funds to hire a trademark attorney, so they did it themselves, which is perfectly fine for your first trademark. And we have the third case of PurposeWrite, which a company which decided not to file their mark, and they are still open to many legal disputes and legal challenges. I hope that's all. Well, basically, that's all for today. I hope it was beneficial for you, that you learned something today. If you have any questions about trademarks or brands, please don't hesitate to contact me. Best regards, Vladimir. Signing out. Bye.